Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I received a message. Someone asked how to print wirelessly. I'm going to show you how to print documents from your laptop to HP printer. The rules are you need to make sure that the printer and laptop are both connected to the same network, okay? And when both are connected to the same network, now what you need to do is to print a document, you need to go to File Explorer. Okay, so select File Explorer. When you select File Explorer, then you need to go to the documents. Or go to the download. You can select documents. Okay, when you select document, then you scroll down to look for the document you want to print out. Okay, so scroll down to select the document you want to print, for instance. So you just need to select any PDF document you want to, let's say, select this document, okay, and it's opening up. Okay, now to print out these documents, okay, so now to print it out, I want to scroll down for us to see how many pages it is. So this document is quite a lot, so many pages, okay, but I want us to print only few. Now to print this document, you need to go on top and select File. So select File on top. Okay, when you select File, then you scroll down to select Print. And now when you select Print, you also need to select the correct printer. So by scrolling down from the printer, then you need to select HP Deskjet 3700 series, and this is HP Deskjet. It's showing us ready, so select on it, and it's now showing us ready here. Now the document we have here is 9 to 13 pages. I want us to print only page 1. So we're only printing only page 1 to 1. So select 1 to 1, okay, and select Print. Now this document now is going to print out here only page 1. Here we go. You can decide to print page 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. If you have many documents, decide to print only page 1. Okay, so now we printed this document only page 1. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out, only page 1. Okay, now another way to print document from your laptop to HP printer. Okay, if you want me to recap, you just need to go to File and select the printer, and also select how many pages if you want to print out, and select Print. Then the next process is for you to print this document using HP Smart App. HP Smart App. Okay, then select Print Document. Select Print Document, and you see supported document file type. Click OK. Now it will take you for you to print document you have from documents or anywhere you save the document you want to print out. Okay, you scroll down to select the document. Okay, so this is the document I want to print. Select this document and select Print. Now this document now we are printing out is 2 pages. Okay, so you can see page 1 to 2. This is the second page. Okay, this is the second page, 1 to 2. Okay, now to print this document out, we need to select, you decide if you want to print it in color or black and white. Okay, so first of all, you select the orientation. You have option for landscape or portrait. Select landscape, and also you need to make sure you select the correct printer, and the paper size is A4, and the next is paper type is plain paper. Output, you select quality, highest quality or normal. Then you select how many copies. Okay, then you scroll down, you see duplex printing. If you want to print on one side, then you select Print on one side. If you want to print on both sides, okay, with this printer you print on both sides, but you need to turn the document the other way around. Okay, so it will tell you how to print on both sides. So I'm going to show you how to print on both sides. Okay, then you scroll down and select page ranges. If a document you have is more than 11 or more than 2 or 4, okay, then you need to select page ranges. So you select particular pages you want to print. You can select Print Current Page or Print Pages in Range. If you want to print pages in range, maybe 1 to 4, then you select 1 to 4. Okay, but this document now is 2 pages, so I'm going to select Print all pages, and then select Print. Now this document is printing. Okay, now to print the second page, okay, so to print the second page, what you need to do is you need to put the document you want to print the other way around. Okay, so put the document you want to print, okay, and select once it's gone in, okay, because once the document, this document go in, you'll be able to print from the other side and select. So you select continue. Okay, so this is the document we printed on both sides. You can see what it looks like. We printed this document on both sides. Okay, so you can actually print on both sides using your laptop. You just need to turn the document the other way, just like I did, for you to be able to print on both sides. Printing on both sides with this printer will save you paper, but you don't have the functionality unless you are using laptop. You have the option for you to select it and do this manually. Okay, and this is how to print document from this printer. Okay, in two ways. The other way, like I showed you earlier, is for you to go to select the document from File Explorer and look for this printer to add it. Then the second one is go to HP Smart App and make sure the printer is added, then for you to print it. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.